Should I do it?
No, ako na. You need to wash your hands. I don't mind. Ay, wait. Parang madami na pala. Ito kasi malaki. Ay.
Okay, she'll teach me how to make.
Nahawit na yung kili-kili ko.
She'll teach me how to make, right? Okay. Oh, it looks like a sorbet. Lemon sorbet.
Okay.
Okay, I'll do it.
Marinate tayo ng pork.
Hey, teach me how to do it.
Ano mo?
Like this?
Yeah. Parang ang dami pala. Okay, check. Meron ba? Oh, sige. Come on.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, enough. Very good. Ganyan lang. Okay, and then lalagyan na natin. Parang ang dami pala.
Can I do it?
Baka maasim na
Can I
to.
do it?
Okay, pour it. Wait.
Oh, okay, can I do that?
One only.
Can I do that?
Naku, matapon mo ha. Slowly.
Can you move a little bit?
Slowly.
This
A
much?
little bit more. Okay, enough. Is that enough? Okay, get a tissue. Ang dami pa nung lemon. Oh, sayang. Gagawa tayo bukas ng pork steak. First time kong gumawa. Ay, parang kulang naman ang Why did you put milk?
I want to make this thingy where there's a little crust on top. Milk of crust. Actually, you're supposed to put some milk on top, and then when you leave it on the frozen part, then it'll turn into like a hard kind of crust. See, look.
Can you give me the pepper? Ano pa pala? Garlic powder and pepper.
Wait.
Lagyan natin ng pepper. Oh, bakit?
I'm gonna put this on top.
Lagyan na. Tama na kaya. Sige na. Give me the pepper. And garlic powder. And spoon. Teaspoon.
Where's the garlic powder?
Ano makita? Ganyan makita. Sana masarap. Ganito yung ginawa ni Tito Ben. Refill the milk. Nilagay mo na naman dyan.
Sorry.
Okay, pwede na ito. Tapos iluluto natin.
Ding dong. Dad, should I make one for Kuya tomorrow?
Okay. I'm gonna cook this tomorrow in the afternoon.
Can't stop thinking of you.
Layo ng pinuntahan natin, ha? I mean, ang dami ng pinuntahan natin, ha?
It's fine.
Return mo yung ano.
I'm still gonna make some.
Ano na naman? Enough na, gabi na.